I'm getting you sensational details of the Bollywood drug gang. For the first time on Indian television, we have three names of Bollywood personalities, and all these three celebs are now under the scanner of the Narcotics Control Bureau. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, anybody who was today saying smash patriarchy needs to come out and look at these names, because this is what was making them nervous. When will their names pop up? Because Rhea is singing. The interrogation files of the Narcotics Control Bureau have named three biggies of the Bollywood drug mafia nexus. Name number one, Sara Ali Khan. Name number two, Rakul Preet Singh. And name number three, Simone Kambata. Names that have now come up during the investigation, and these are not names that are being given by me. These are names given by Rhea Chakrabarti in the interrogation period of the last 3 days that she was with the Narcotics Control Bureau. And these are not only the names that have been given. There are more. We've been able to uncover three names: Rakul Preet Singh and Sara Ali Khan. Two, and Simone Kambata. Simone Kambata's drug chats was something that we brought to you. We also brought to you visuals of Sushant Singh Rajput getting a private charter plane to fly to Bangkok with Sara Ali Khan as one of the members who took that flight, and she had named used the name of Sara Sultan in those drug chats. And number three is Rakul Preet Singh. These are the three names that have been given by Rhea Chakrabarti in the interrogation with the Narcotics Control Bureau chiefs. And this is the big breaking news that we are getting to you. And joining me tonight on the News Hour is Priyank Tripathi, who's been following this entire investigation in Mumbai. Priyank, three names. It is Sara Ali Khan, Rakul Preet Singh and Simone Kambata. What are your sources in the Narcotic Control Bureau telling you?
See, Navika, this is a 20-page statement which has been given by Rhea Chakrabarti to the NCB in the CI number 16. And in this statement, she has specifically named these three individuals among those who were also consuming narcotic substance. Rhea initially refused to accept that she was also consuming it, but later to that she had agreed. And that was a statement which we broke 2 days back, where she had agreed that yes, she was consuming narcotic substance. But Rhea is certainly not allowing other individuals to go away just by this. She has also named several individuals, and which also include these movie stars who have also been consuming that. What NCB is doing right now, that they are focusing on the A, B and C grade of Bollywood celebrities who have been involved in these kind of narcotic substance abuse which they have been doing since years.
Well, also there are other names we understand that will take some time, because right now there is a due diligence that is being done by the Narcotics Control Bureau, and more names are likely to surface. There are other names that have been given. We understand 25 A-listers. Who are these? Any idea about these names, Priyank?
See, Navika, there are two sets of investigations which will be followed. One, the financing in the Bollywood by the D company, and what the NCB is also focusing on is one of the prominent movie maker who has always been critical about the government. And what they have got to know that he was also getting fund from the D company, and he was also casting new upcoming models and as their movie stars. So that is one aspect of investigation. The second aspect is also focusing on all those individuals in the Bollywood industry who were involved in so-called grooming of these celebrities, and they were made addicted to these kind of narcotic substance. The third set is including these prominent people who have been indulging in these kind of narcotic substance abuse. And this is not we have been seeing, Navika. This is what Rhea Chakrabarti has told to NCB officials.
That's the point. Rhea Chakrabarti has been singing. She's the one who's given these names, and these are the names that are next on the list for an invitation from the Narcotics Control Bureau for questioning. Well, when will that happen? We'll keep you posted.